andito na sila, bastusan levels with the second highest official of the land. Saan ka na? Well, there are no lines anymore. Kumbaga, they'll do whatever it is they want to do. And never mind if they look vicious, never mind if they look corrupt, kailan yan? They'll stay in office anyway. Unang-una, nag-iimbento sila. Hindi nakalagay sa saligang batas na kailangan umapil siya doon. What is demanded is transparency. What is demanded is justification. Pero there is no requirement for her to defend in the way that they want her to defend her budget. Defend should be justified. Pero yung sa kanila, defend because we're going to attack you. There is no obligation to do that. There is no obligation for the Vice President to present herself para gulpihin din siya verbally ng mga kongresista. Why should she do that? Kasi kahit yung 32 million na bumoto sa kanya ay aalma. Why are you doing this? Kami nagluklok sa kanya sa posisyon. Hindi namin nilagay ang taong yan sa posisyon para lang harasin nyo, para to make fun of her and to do what the things that would otherwise be illegal if you didn't have parliamentary immunity.